What's up everyone, my name is Clark and this will be the first video of my channel and we will be unboxing this goodie. This is the latest Pokemon TCG from the Japanese set called Terastal Festival EX. So without further ado, let's get right into it. As you can see guys, I'm also collecting other TCGs like Magic the Gathering and One Piece. But unfortunately, I don't have time before to make videos. So I was unable to make a content about them. Even my playmat is Magic the Gathering. Actually, this is not my first Japanese set. My first set was last year. This one, I think it's called Future Flash. Yeah, but I didn't get any good hits at that box. But hopefully, we can get good hits with this one. I believe there is a God pack. There's a chance for God pack with these boxes, right? And of course, everyone is looking for the Umbreon. So even if I would not get a God pack, I hope I would get that Umbreon. So let's start. Pray for me guys that I get a good hit. Okay. So first pack. Oh, we got an EX. Yeah. I believe that every pack you will get a one RR card like this. Wow, the foiling is very good. I don't know if it's you can see it in the video, but in actual the foiling is very good. Okay, so let's keep it here. Second pack. In one box you are guaranteed one SAR. In this set there is no alternate art, but every pack you're guaranteed an RR like that. And you have a 3 guaranteed reverse hollow Pokeball, and you have a chance with Master Ball, but it's not guaranteed. So, second pack. Oh, we got our first Pokeball, and it's a Leafeon. Very nice. Oh, and then the EX card. Let's keep the hits here on this side. This one here. Okay, third pack. There is one guaranteed SAR in these boxes, but you can also hit an SR as an additional or an ultra rare card. So hopefully, I'm sorry for that guys. So hopefully, we will get an additional SR or an ultra rare card. Very nice. For alligator. Wow. So nothing for this pack. This is pack what, number 4? Okay. Please bear with me guys, I'm not familiar with the Scarlet and Violet Pokemons because my childhood was the 151 Pokemon. I think until the 3rd gen I'm familiar with them. But the new ones I'm not yet familiar, but I will try. I will try to learn them. This is the A spec. There is one A spec per box. So this is the one. Yeah, so I'll be trying to learn the new Pokemons from Gen 4. I think Gen 4 I'm still familiar with them. But after those, but if you ask me about Gen 1, Gen 2, and Gen 3, I know about them.
Thank you.
So for my next videos, I'll try to be familiarized with them. Oh, there you go. There is our SAR. Oh my god, it's not an Umbreon, but I'll take it. I'll take it. It's very beautiful. My god. This is a Sylveon, right? Yes. My god. Let's put it in a perfect sleeve. So my sleeve is a syllable sleeve. Okay. This is a Dragon Shield syllable. Wait, I'll seal it. It's hard to seal in front of the camera.
A few moments later.
Okay, I struggled sleeving that one. Okay, that's our hit. Very nice. I'll show the updated price here when I finish the video. Today is what, January 16, so the prices you see here is based from TCG Player or UUT Japan. You can also check for TCGs in Japan. You can check in UUT Japan. I will put the website here. They are updated price lists for TCG cards, especially in Japan. Or you can also use TCG Player. Okay, very nice. So let's put this one here. So that's it. We already have the SAR. So I think we still have two Pokeballs or a chance for a Master Ball. Let's see. We still have chance for a Master Ball Umbreon. Okay. Oh, yeah. I like this Pokemon. It's a crossover of Diglett. Oh, there's another Pokeball. And the EX. I forgot this Pokemon's name. I think it's something like Poltergeist or what? Poltergeist. I forgot. Sorry. And how many more packs? I think we have four more. Okay. Beldum. Alakazam and nothing. Last three pack. Give me some more. Still, like, I still have a chance for an SR or maybe an ultra rare card, even though I got the SAR. Oh, very nice. Flareon EX. Second to the last pack. Come on. Hopefully, you can still get one Master Ball. I don't know if I can edit the background, but there is a construction near my apartment, so please bear with it, guys. Oh, yeah. I thought it's a Master Ball, Umbreon. Okay, last pack magic, maybe. I think we still have one more Pokeball. Let's see. Okay, Snorunt. This looks like Tyranitar, but I know it's not Tyranitar. And this one, it's a Pokeball. We did not get any Master Ball, but that's fine. Oh, that's a beautiful card right there. It's a Vaporeon EX. So yeah, I think we did great.
Nice.
Especially with this one, the Sylveon. Very nice card. Just a recap, guys. This is our hits. We got the SAR Sylveon. Price that we paid for the box is $95 with the shipping fees and everything. But we got it back with this one card. So we're very thankful for these pulls, even we did not get the Umbreon. So yeah, just to inform you also, I have a pre-order with the next Japanese set that is upcoming this January 24. the battle partners. So I have a pre-order and it will arrive here in my place in Qatar for maybe after 3 or 4 days after release. So if you're interested with that one, stay tuned with my channel. Thank you. That's it for our unboxing today. I hope you liked it. And if you're interested in more anime or toy unboxing videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and your notification bell so that you'll get notified every time I upload my videos. See you everyone. Bye bye.